This world can hurt you, it cuts you deep and leaves a scar. Things fall apart, but nothing breaks like a heart. Well, there's broken sides.